How can you trust the banks when you set up a Cook Islands trust? Well, for one, you don't have to trust the banks in the Cook Islands. Although I would say the Cook Islands have some reputable banks, when setting up a Cook Islands trust, I generally recommend my clients open a bank account in Switzerland. Switzerland has probably the most secure banking system in the world, and by keeping the assets in a different location than the trustee, it gives the trust the flexibility to change to a different location in the very rare event that a Cook Islands trust ever comes under attack. For more information on Cook Islands Trust, follow my channel. For other questions about asset protection, leave a comment. Thanks.